Hey gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your hero chat wheel in Dota 2. To use the hero chat wheel in Dota 2, first you gotta follow these steps. First, click on settings, and then see which key the hero chat wheel is binded to. Mine is binded to Y, so I'm gonna hop into a game and then show it to you. To use the hero chat wheel, first you gotta press the designated hotkey to bring up the chat wheel. Mine is set to Y, so I'm gonna press Y now. Move your cursor to the desired chat wheel option, like so, and then release the hotkey. I'm gonna show it to you once again. Press the designated hotkey, move the cursor to the desired chat wheel, and then release. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Ace. Happy gaming!